Hello everyone, how is it going on? Today I got a new order from AliExpress. You can see, and these are the rcINpower GTS V2 2306 2750 kV motors, and I am so excited about this because I am expecting this earlier, but it took a long time to reach here. So let's check this out. I want to give these motors a shot, so let's take a look at these motors. I got four, you can see, so let's open them. Actually I ordered the red version, two of them, and the titanium version, two of them, and all four of these motors are high kV motors. They are 2750 kV and the size is 2306. I got these two, the red colored, and these two are titanium. So let's check the red first. So the packaging you can see is minimal, but the quality of the paper box is really good. You can see the motors are protected by foam, and we got the motor here, you can see, and the camera doesn't pick up the motors as well. I can see these motors are looking so gorgeous, and we got some hardwares here, 4 screws actually. They are flathead screws, hex screws, M3 size, and we got the lock nut, aluminum lock nut here. And these motors came with pretty long silicone wire, and these are 18 AWG silicone cable, and they are high quality, high temperature capable cable. And we will discuss the parameters and their features later. Let's check the titanium on now. So here is the titanium. This one is looking also great, you can see. Here it looks like so gorgeous. So now let's talk about their features and their capability first. And these are 4S 2750 kV motors, so their maximum power output is almost 1000 watts. They are rated for 55 amps and 900 watts, I believe. And these motors are really well designed motors. The machining is so freaking good. I cannot tell any problem there. And the bell is actually a new designed bell. I think these are more durable than others. And the shaft is actually, I think, titanium alloy shaft. And or the material of is or the aluminum they used here, I don't know, but I think they are 7075 T10 aluminum, and they are the high-end aluminum, I think. And I can see the windings. The windings are really great and tight, so you can see there. And the magnets are actually N52 arc magnets, and the air gap is really tight there. So these are 16 by 16 mounting pattern for the bottom, and these are cut bottom design, which is really great for lightweight motors. And these motors are actually weighs about just over 35 grams, which is reasonable for a 2306 motors, like a high quality top end high performance motor. And the bottom has M3 screws for shaft retaining screws, so this is really great, and this is easy to take off and put a new one there. And one thing I want to say that the bearings are 4 by 9 by 4, and they are good sized big bearing, but the bearing is not NMB or EZO, they are NSK bearing, I think. And if they are imported from Japan, then they are really high quality bearing, and I think so. But I really like those EZO bearings. They are really great looking bearing and super smooth, and I am expecting this to be super smooth too. So, and these motors are actually 2306, you can see here. So the diameter of the stator is 23 millimeter, and the height of the stator is actually 6 millimeters. And you can see here there are little grip there to hold the prop really well, and I think it will work just fine. And these motors are really made for high-end racing, and these can give a thrust number up to 1.65 kg, I think, in heavy pitch 5-inch propeller. I really like both of the colors, they are looking amazing. And the cables are actually pretty long for 4-in-1 ESC build, so this motor sounds really good. We will check the motor in beta flight, I think, and we will see how the motor sounds like, and they are really smooth or not in beta flight. And I am going to set this up in my new quad, so I think we will be right back then. Welcome back. So we got our motor installed on my new quad, and you can see this quad is looking great. So we are going to test the motors, how does it sounds and how they perform. So we are testing this without the props, so let's turn it on. I got the Dynogy Ultra Graphene 2.0 1500 mAh ATC LiPo. So we are turning the transmitter on. Here is the transmitter. You can see the quad is now armed. Probably you can hear the motor sound, and they are very smooth sounds like that. So probably you can hear that the motor sounds really great, and I like these motors. And one thing these motors really impressed me is the machining quality of these motors, and the machining quality, CNC cutting of this aluminum is really great. I am so impressed about this motor. The quality of these are excellent, and previously I got the T-Motor F40 Pro V2 version, and they are also great motors, but I got 4 of them, and among 4 of them, 2 of them got a little bit of vibration, but I checked all 4 of these and there is zero vibration. In Betaflight I checked this, and I have checked for all 4 of these, and there is there is and any horizontal or vertical play between the shaft and inner race of the bearing. So this is very good, I think. So overall these motors are really high end, high performance, top of the line motors, and I really like this. I really recommend this too. So this is all for the motor review, and I hope you guys really like this video, and if you like my video then please hit the like button, and subscribe into my channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about upcoming videos. So thank you guys, take care.